What's the deal, y'all? It's your man's Gavin, and today I'm back with some reaction shit. We about to be reacting to Slimeball MK. I just seen one of his videos and it was hella funny, so I was like, let's just react to it, you know? But fuck it. Hey, if y'all new to this channel though, remember, give me a little like. If y'all like the video, remember, just drop a little like and shit. Hey, give me a little comments and tell me what y'all want to see, you know? Tell me what kind of content y'all want to see, and look, drop a subscribe. You already know. Subscribe to this channel, man. Just click that little button and shit. Let's get right into this video. Alright, this one is called How Athletes Try to Be Thugs After High School.
No, my boy graduated. What college you going to?
What's the point of going to college just to serve apple pie? Man, fuck college, nigga. Used to shoot them basketball, now niggas shoot them guns. Oh God, nigga used to be dribbling the ball, now niggas serving them packs.
He's hella
Nah,
stupid.
nigga, look, I said used to be dribbling the ball, now niggas serving them packs. Cause remember, I used to play basketball like
you were fine.
Shit like
You didn't have a scholarship.
used to have them scholarships, now nigga digging them shits. I mean, used to have scholarships, now niggas selling drugs, now niggas shooting slugs.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
You used to play football, now niggas selling drugs. You remember how I used to shoot basketballs?
Yeah.
Now I said niggas shooting them guns. You get it?
Yeah.
Used to be shooting basketballs, now niggas shooting them.
I know so many people like this. I ain't even going. I ain't gonna say no names, of course, because that's just some, you know, that's some bullshit.
Yeah.
Used to be in the gym, now a nigga in the jail cell. What the fuck am I doing here? What the fuck am I doing in the jail cell?
No.
Nigga used to be in the clan, right? Now a nigga fight.
Yeah.
Used to be a good boy. Now a nigga bad boy.
Oh my god, that shit was hella clowning, dude. So let's find another one. Which one should we do? The one old head who still acts young.
Out the gate.
Let's turn the fuck off.
Let's get it. Woo, let's get it. Yeah. Hey.
He's going crazy, dude.
Hey, you know it. You know it.
So now we finna get drunky fuck, yeah. Drunky fuck.
Hey.
Drunky fuck.
Hey.
Drunky fuck, yeah.
Yay.
God. Bro, I thought about this shit earlier. I said, bro, let's turn the fuck up tonight, bro. Oh, look, I'm getting too old for this shit, bro. You feel me?
Man, yo, you only live once though, you know. Yeah. Get it, jump.
You go right.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, that slide, come back up. Eat.
I can't get like Michael J. Say, can you send it back? Say, oh God. What did he say? What did he say? What he say? Shot the gate to drop, then we pop.
Hey.
Pussy, who gon' do it with the daughter again?
Hey.
Can we probably tour with them shot?
Hey, that shit was lit. Let's go on another one. When you get caught listening to 6 9
Don't dick ride. That boy be going dumb and fuck.
That ain't your boy.
Oh God, so
That's 6 9.
That snitch ass boy.
Hey, you listen to a snitch now,
No,
nigga?
nigga, listen, I got them snitch, nigga. I was just better
No.
crazy fuck, man. I'm on that boy a rat, nigga.
Hell no. You listening to him though?
Listen to who, nigga? I was you fucked up. We don't fuck with these snitches. Oh God, nigga.
I hope you don't.
You know what, nigga?
But he's just clowning.
A nigga ratted on some niggas he used to run with. You feel me? I don't fuck with that. I don't see how you get them the views on that song and shit.
I don't know.
Trying to play it like
random shit, nigga.
Like he ain't listening to him.
That song, I don't like this. I said, hold on, this fuck nigga snitched. But I don't want this to the music enough, you feel me? I was just...
Yeah.
Oh, shit get stuck in your head, bro. You can't lie, bro. God, this shit get stuck in your head, bro. You don't.
Hell no, not my head.
Bro, you
It's
can't,
stuck
bro.
in your head.
You dick ride, bro. That shit got stuck in my head, bro.
That's fucked up, man.
Damn, bro. I told her don't dick ride. Hey, but young boy, I ain't gonna like that. Young boy, that nigga though. That mom, fuck 6'9", bro. I'm a YB. I'm a YB.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah.
I'm straight YB, bro.
At the gate.
4K trade.
That one was so clouded, dude. I'm gonna get that another one. This one's called that one track runner who loved talking trash.
So where they go? Is you faster than me? What if I think you faster than me? You not faster than me, cuz. Come on. All that right there. Line up. Line them up. All right, let go.
This how they be too.
Yeah, how the fuck I did? What the fuck is that smell, cuz? What the hell that smell like shit, man? Damn, that me. Damn, I smell like shit, man. Yeah, I smell like shit. Oh, shit, come spare this shit, right? Come spare this shit.
Oh my god, this is
Hey,
so
what?
funny.
Did it light the speed? Hey, what did you have? Oh, I'm going stupid. Damn. But I just peed on myself. Right? Oh, no. I go.
What the fuck?
You see how high I jump? Look. Walk up to the sky with it, what? I go. You say, go. Dang, man.
What the fuck?
I need some more snoops.
Oh my god. When y'all high late night at the gas station.
Yeah. I'm stupid too right now. I don't even know what to keep, bro. I'm gonna keep these, bro. You want them to come on? Well, no, you know the fire going around and shit. Oh, yeah, they put that shit in the drink, ain't it? Yeah. Bro. Hey, go one of these. Go one of these. But you crazy. I'm gonna see you get these. I'll go dumb. Oh, fuck. That's what I'm saying, though. Yeah. I said I got the code. I might need one of y'all. Oh, shit. You want one?
He said, what ugly?
Sweet. Man, what the fuck is that? Oh, that cat food. Let me look this shit up on Google.
He said that was cat food.
Ooh, son kiss. Oh, my son when he out today. Shit, you can give me a kiss though, son. Shit, fuck with some gas though. Damn, okay. Ain't anybody stole my shit, dog. Man, what the fuck? Anybody done stole the wheel? I'm tripping my shit right now. Y'all finna say these niggas stole the shit. Hey, Terry. Hey, go ahead. Hey, come smoke the ATT out.
Hey, if y'all want more of these, just let me know in the comments below and shit. Hey, if y'all new to this channel, remember, just give me a little like, a comment, and subscribe. Turn those post notifications on and shit. I'm out this thing.